Now that my family and I have joined Health Alliance Network, nights like these are not as stressful. I am able to connect with a doctor without leaving my home. I can either go to my computer or app on my smartphone, sign into my account, and connect with the doctor quickly. Because I joined Health Alliance Network, I have unlimited access to U.S. board-certified doctors. I have no consultation fees, no copays. I can select which U.S. board-certified doctor I want from a list, or sort them by gender and or language, or just connect with the next available doctor via video chat or telephone. I enter the reason for the visit, upload a photo if needed. I can also include any and all family history, allergies, pre-existing conditions, or procedures. I verify my pharmacy in case a prescription is necessary and appropriate. I am able to rest at home and avoid being exposed to sick people in a waiting room. This service is included. Health Alliance Network. It's not insurance, and it's making the traditional doctor's visit obsolete. Put a doctor in your pocket.
Hello, I'm Dave Santangelo. I'm with Ace Luxury Homes in Boynton Beach. And I want to talk a little bit about this product briefly. This was first introduced to me about 6 months ago. And when it was introduced, I was pretty much blown away with it. So I decided to actually enroll myself, my family, and my entire team into this product. We've tested it over the last 6 months, and I was so surprised that they could offer so much for so little. So I took this immediately to Jackie, and I thought, wow, this is something we can offer to everybody in this company, and everybody in any company anywhere, and it could benefit them. So without further ado, to have him explain a little bit more, I'd like to introduce to you the National Sales Director of the Health Alliance Network, and my good friend, Joseph Cianciotto.
Good morning, everyone. Dave, thanks for that great intro. It's going to be a little bit tough to follow Matt's lead. Boy, he was something up there. I might call you up in case I get in trouble. I'd like to thank Jackie Ellis for sharing the vision of Health Alliance Network, which is bringing better access to health care for everyone. If it wasn't for her vision and her leadership, we would not be here today, so let's get started. Health Alliance Network is an integrated healthcare company solution with solutions. We are not an insurance company, which sets us apart. Feel free to applaud. We're not an insurance company. Next slide. We are the leading provider of telemedicine in the U.S. Our doctors are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, via phone, our app, or on your computer. They are working Christmas morning. And for those of you with children, mine always decided to get sick on a Saturday at 11 p.m. Nightmare, we all know that. Our doctors are available. We are also the only telemedicine company who has partnered with ADP. We are also the only telemedicine company who is on Amazon. And we have a great fundraising program. We will all agree that we need better affordable access to healthcare, and I stress the affordable. All of us are getting crushed by the insurance companies, and they are banking with those ridiculous deductibles I'm sure everybody has experienced. Here are some facts, and one I want to touch on, which is my favorite. 97% patient case closure rate. That is huge, and that is exactly how it appears. 97% of all the members that visit our board-certified doctors result in a resolution. That is a very high percentage, and we are very proud of that. That means just less than 3% need a follow-up visit. Next slide, please. We give all our members unlimited medical visits, unlimited dermatology visits, behavioral health counseling, and a prescription benefit plan. Our plan has no copays and no deductibles, so if you feel ill, you pull up your app, choose a doctor, or just choose the next available. A doctor will appear, treat you as if you were right in front of them, and there is no credit cards needed. No copays, no deductibles. Gone are the days of going to the doctor's office, waiting 90 minutes in the germ waiting room just to get the Z-Pack. And that's if you can even get the doctor to see you. And then enjoy the $85 copay on the way out. These services cover not only the member, but his or her entire household. So if you are married and have 3 children, all 5 of you are covered under that member. Next slide. Did you know that many pharmacies offer free prescriptions? That's right, free prescriptions. There are quite the list, and one of the major ones is Publix. Publix provides their customer base free diabetes medications, free antibiotics, and many others. We do provide all our members with a list of national large companies that do give their customer base free medications. Next slide, please. So our doctors treat all the common ailments that you'd go to your primary care physician for, such as strep throat, pink eye, upper respiratory infection, actually, that's our #1 reason for visits. And, excuse me, we also treat UTIs through our platform. Next slide, please. Yep. So where are we? We are licensed in all 50 states and Puerto Rico. You'll see there are 2 states highlighted in orange. Those 2 states do mandate by law that a physician has a FaceTime visit, the first initial visit through telemedicine. So if you plan on going to Idaho or Arkansas, make sure you have your smartphone if you decide to get sick. Next slide, please. Now for some questions and answers. But I'm going to ask the first one. All of you are saying, how much will this cost me? Well, I have some great news. Jackie has negotiated a special Keller Williams price of $15 per month per member. That's right. $15 per month does cover you and your entire household for all those services that I described. Unlimited medical visits, dermatology, behavioral health counseling, and the free prescription benefit program. Sign up is quick and easy. Jackie has insisted on quick and easy. So you can go to kw.healthalliancenetwork.com. And if you have any questions, my partners, Steve and Steve, easy to remember, Steve and Steve, will be hanging around through the entire event. And again, very grateful that Jackie and Dave allowed us to come in and share this great product. We are definitely changing healthcare in the United States. Thank you very much, everybody. Appreciate it.
Joseph, I'm just going to jump in here a little bit.
Sure.
So did you guys get that this is an app on your phone, and if you have some sort of an ailment, anytime you push a button and up comes a selection of doctors, you select the and all their credentials, you select the doctor that you'd like to have a conversation with, and you say, I'd like you to call me at 3 o'clock or 3:10, and then at 3 o'clock your phone rings and it's the doctor. And you say, oh my God, my throat is so sore and I'm very busy, I have a listing appointment, I can't get to the doctor. And he'll say, well, open your mouth and show me. And you do that, and then the next thing you know, he's calling in a prescription. It is good for every household. It is $15 a month should you want it. It's totally up to you. And if you don't want it now and you want it in 3 or 4 or 5 months, perfectly fine. But I've never heard of a product like this that would cover so much for so little. And I just think we're a tech company of technology, then why wouldn't our medicine be as well? So you'll hear more about this in your market centers. It's only available to you guys at Keller Williams. And I just think a lot of us don't have insurance, and this is at least something that you may have. If you have great insurance, this will be a fantastic supplement. You also have a relationship with GoodRx.
That's correct.
That allows you to get prescriptions at an amazing amount
The highest
that will pay
discount.
for that $15 a month. All right, I just wanted to jump in because I get goosebumps about this product. We'll
Thank you,
talk
Jackie.
more at your local market centers. Okay,
Thank you, Jackie. Appreciate it. Thanks again, everyone.